If you're a beginner artist over 50 who wants to discover your unique art style, live healthier, and age gracefully, and you don't mind a slow southern accent, then welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled that you are here. We focus on the fun of creating. We play with different mediums like mixing PanPastels, gouache, watercolors, acrylics, and even water mixable oil paints, all to unlock your personal artistic style without the pressure of perfection. Now, I know firsthand that creativity takes mental focus, mindset, and energy. As someone who fights back pain, SI joint issues, and chronic inflammation, I know how hard it can be to sit or stand at an easel or table when your body is screaming with pain. That's why I do something a little different here. Right alongside step-by-step art tutorials, I'll be sharing natural health strategies, some gentle stretches, and anti-inflammatory teas like my curcumin tea recipe that supports mental focus, keeps the body fluid and comfortable, helping to stay energized and create and paint every day. Your next chapter is meant to be a vibrant one that's creative and healthy. So hit the subscribe button, grab your favorite tea with me, and let's unlock our creative styles together.